Working with CorelDRAW and have a CDPRESOURCE file? These contain resources used by the CorelDRAW graphic design application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these CorelDRAW resource files. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open in CDPRESOURCE file. Here's a sneak peek. CDPRESOURCE files are resource files used by CorelDRAW graphic design software, containing application resources like templates, clip art symbols, fills, patterns, or other reusable design elements that extend CorelDRAW's built-in design capabilities. CDPRESOURCE files use Corel's proprietary resource format, storing structured design assets with metadata, categorization, information, and asset references, following CorelDRAW's specification for resource library management and design element distribution within the application. Your primary software solution for CDPRESOURCE files should be CorelDRAW from Corel. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows shows the artwork, but not its editable components. The first action is to find a successful opener. Right-click the CDPRESOURCE file and click Open With. Test CorelDRAW if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option in the list. If you still cannot open your CDPRESOURCE file, that is okay. Since the initial fixes failed, we need to treat this as a deep technical challenge. Execute these key tests on common failure points to find where the problem begins. First, installing in CorelDRAW. Place CDPRESOURCE files in the CorelDRAW resources directory, typically under User Documents or Program Installation. CorelDRAW automatically detects new resources during startup, making them available through the appropriate resource panels for use in design projects. Next, importing through application. Within CorelDRAW, use the resource import function in panels like Symbols Library or Asset Manager to add CDPRESOURCE content. The application validates resources and adds them to the current design environment for immediate use in graphic design workflows. Finally, letting CorelDRAW manage. CDPRESOURCE files installed by CorelDRAW or its plugins are managed automatically and should not be modified manually. The software updates resources during application updates or content downloads, maintaining the resource library without user intervention required. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.